Good morning, lords and ladies, coming to you live from Quarantine Central, otherwise known as my house. Just wanted to send a quick video kind of updating you on some stuff going on. First and foremost, I know we mentioned it's going to be a weird year and we asked for your flexibility. It's another curveball to throw your way. I am taking some time off to better protect my family, keep it safe, and take better care of it. So I don't know when I'll be back, but I will be back. In the meantime, the school is coming up with a plan to have some stability and not have a different sub every day. Miss Mulliken is going to come in and she's going to sub as much as possible. So she's pretty much going to be running the class. And she's going to be in charge completely. She's going to be doing the correcting of the papers and the grades and everything else. So she is your new, for all intents and purposes, your new teacher until I come back. So I hope to see you, sometime relatively soon. I don't really know what the future holds for me, but I definitely will be back. So please continue to remain flexible, show that champion culture, give your personal best, and keep fighting the good fight. And I will be back as soon as conditions allow it. Okay. The other thing is I'm going to have limited contact. So I'm going to be not on email after tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to be fully accessible. Wednesday I'll be fully accessible. I'll be continuing to correct all the grades and get everything done. If you have any questions, kind of tomorrow's your last chance to get those in. And then Miss Mulliken, again, will be your contact for everything to do with the class. Okay. I'm going to miss you guys dearly. I don't, I wish I didn't have to make this decision, but it's something that I had to do. So I will see you guys sometime soon, I hope. Thanks.